Okay, in this video we are going to do subtraction of real numbers. Subtraction of real numbers following same rule as addition. Because in some cases we need to add, in some cases we need to subtract. So let's solve some questions. Question number 1. 12 minus 29. Plus minus, we have case number 3. So when we have plus and minus, we subtract, right? It's going to be 17. And the sign of bigger absolute value, what is bigger absolute value between 12 and the 29? It's going to be 29. And since 29 is negative, we put negative sign. Number 2, negative 14 minus negative 8. We need to know one thing. Every time you have negative in front of parentheses, that means the sign within parentheses it's going to flip, meaning it's on opposite. It was negative 8 will become positive 8. Let me give you example here, drafting. Let's say we have 5, okay, no, not this thick. Let's say we have negative 5 here, minus negative 4 plus x minus 3 plus 4 minus 7 minus 9 and plus 10, let's say. You see here this negative sign, that means when you open this parenthesis, every single sign in parenthesis is going to flip on opposite. Let's do it. Negative 5. Here we have negative 4 become positive 4 plus x minus x plus 3 minus 4 plus 7 plus 9 minus 10. Okay? All right. So moving back to our case, negative 14 plus 8, it's going to be case number 4 where we subtract. It's going to be 6 and we use the sign of bigger number. 14 is bigger, sign negative, we get negative 6. Question number 3. Okay. Negative 19 minus negative 37. That is going to be negative 19 plus 37, right? Negative and plus, we are using case number 4. So 17 minus 9 is 8. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. And result is positive. Number 4. 0 minus negative 7. That is equal plus 7, right? Because when you open parentheses, okay, let me write down like this. 0 plus 7. And it's equal 7. Number 5. Negative 5 minus negative 5. That's going to be negative 5 plus 5. And it's equal 0. Number 6. 3/4 minus negative 10 over 11. Okay, first of all, 3/4, it's going to be plus 10 over 11. And at the denominator 4 and 11, it's going to be 44. So here I multiply by 11, multiply by 11. Here multiply by 4, multiply by 4. And we are getting 33 over 44 plus 40 over 44. And we get 73 over 44. So if we want to convert into mixed fraction, 73 divided by 44 is going to be 1 time. Remainder is going to be 73 minus 44, 29 over 44. Okay, question number 7. So let me shrink this a little bit. It took too much space. Much better. Okay, number 7. negative 0.3, negative 0.8. In this case, we have case number 2, negative, negative. We are adding, right? It's going to be 1.1. And sign going to be negative. Number 8. So 1/5 minus 6. 1/5 minus 6. Positive, negative, we need to subtract, case number 3. So 6 minus 1/5, remember we learned from the previous case, previous videos, 6 minus 1/5, it's going to be reducing by 1, this 6 going to be 5, and 5 minus 1 is 4/5. So 5 and 4/5. Since 6 is a bigger number and it's negative, so it's going to be negative. Number 9. Negative 162 plus, no, minus negative 153.7 equal. So this is going to be negative 162 plus 153.7, and this is going to be equal. So negative, positive, it's a case number 4. So 162 minus 153 and 7, it's going to be 10 minus 7 is 3. Here is left 1, borrowing from 6, it's going to be 11 minus 3 is 8. Here is left 5. 5 minus 5 is 0, so 8.3. And 162 is bigger number, so it has sign negative, so it's going to be negative 8.3. Question number 10. What do we have with question number 10? Negative 3 minus 4.032. Negative, negative. We have case number 2, when both of them are negative. We are adding. So since whole number, I'm adding 3 and 4. It's going to be 7.032. And sign is going to be negative because both numbers are negative. Number 11. So subtract negative 4 from negative 1. A lot of students get confused. They put negative 4 minus negative 1. No, we want to subtract negative 4 from negative 1. So it's going to be negative 1 minus negative 4. That's mean negative 1 plus 4, and it's equal positive 3. Number 12. Same, subtract. How much? 3 from negative 18. From negative 18. So negative 18 minus 3. It's going to be equal negative 21. 13. Seven plus negative 4 and minus 6, which means 7 minus 4 minus 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. And lastly, number 14. We have the following question. Yesterday, Jackie had $140 in her checking account. Okay? in checking account. Jackie had $140. Okay. Today. Now today her account read balance negative 44. Leftover negative $44. Find the difference of amount. Difference of both amount. So from 144 we have left 44, negative 44. So let's figure out how much we took from this account, right? So it's going to be 140, not 144, sorry, 140 minus negative 44, and that is equal 140 plus 44 equal 184. So Jackie took more than she had, that's why her balance went negative. Okay, I'm done. See you in next video.